Hello, Epic Gamers. So what I want you to do is don't look. I'm joking. I want you to go in the comments. So like, what do I type? I don't want to expose myself. I should have thought about this. Okay. Okay. So what I want you to type is so emojis, and then do this and comment whatever emojis you want, like, and yeah, just comment any emojis. Hold up. So like comment any emojis, only 3, okay? And then comment gender and this stuff, and then pick what gender: girl, boy, non-binary, stuff like that, gender fluid, who cares? They're all beautiful. Personality, like do whatever personality, rude, nice, sweet, who cares? And what was I gonna say again? What style? Like grunge, soft, hardcore, whatever. So do whatever, okay? Okay, bye.